Hello, my name is Euan Freeman and I'm a haptics and human-computer interaction researcher at the University of Glasgow in Scotland. In this video, I give an overview of my book chapter called Ultrasound Haptic Feedback for Touchless User Interfaces, Design Patterns. As the name suggests, this chapter introduces a collection of design patterns for ultrasound haptic feedback. These design patterns represent common ways that the technology has been used in haptic user interface design, drawing on examples from both research and industry prototypes. You might find these useful if you are new to the technology and wondering how it might be used, or if you are a designer, researcher, or software engineer looking for ideas about how to integrate haptic feedback into a new touchless interactive experience. These design patterns come from my reflection on how ultrasound haptics has been used in touchless user interface design, drawing on my own experience of working with this technology for the past 10 years. In this chapter, I discuss 7 design patterns that represent common uses of ultrasound haptic feedback. For each design pattern, I discuss the high-level design, reflect on what benefits the feedback might offer to the user, raise some questions and design choices for you to think about as a haptic designer, and give examples of how the design pattern has been used in existing touchless systems. Finally, I present a framework that suggests how each design pattern can be used for different purposes in a haptic user interface, which you might find useful in helping you select suitable designs for an interactive experience. In summary, this chapter presents 7 design patterns that reflect on how ultrasound haptic technology has typically been used in its formative years. This is not an exhaustive list of design patterns, and it simply presents a snapshot at this point in time of current design practice. I hope you find this useful, especially if you are new to the technology, and I look forward to seeing how this technology and its design practice evolves over the coming years.